Welcome to Cfsb's Show Me How video. Cfsb's online banking has gone mobile. There are a couple of things that you need to be aware of before watching this video. In order to enroll yourself to use the mobile application, you must currently have an online banking account. You must also have all your bill pays. If you want to use the bill pay option, you must have all your payees, and you must continue to set up your payees in the regular online banking website. You cannot do those from our mobile application. I'd like to encourage everyone to watch our other online or Show Me How video series of how to secure your mobile device. That's one of the things that's going to be very important in using your mobile device to do online banking, is keeping that device safe and secure. Currently, our mobile banking solution is for the iPhone. Of course, we do have a Droid application coming out shortly that we'll be providing an online demo for as well, but the sign-up process will be very similar. This iPhone application can be downloaded from the iTunes Store. Just search on Cfsb and download the app to your mobile device. Once you download the application and you touch the icon on your iPhone, you'll see a screen similar to this one, which shows that you will have the ability to see your accounts and to find our physical locations and our ATM locations. Once you actually start the application, in addition to seeing our first Cfsb splash screen that we had shown you in the previous slide, you're going to see a online banking login, a place for you to enter your Cfsb online banking ID. This is the online banking ID that you currently use when you sign on to your online banking from your home desktop computer. So on the screen here, we see where we can type in our online banking ID. So we will type in our online banking ID. In this case, I am Mickey M, and I am entering that information in, and I'm going to click Submit. The next screen you see after hitting Submit on the login, your user ID, then you will see a place that you can insert your online banking password. Type in your password on this position and then on this part of the screen, and then click Done and click on Login. One of the things you need to notice too here is this is your picture, your secure picture that you have also for your online banking ID that you use on your desktop. So that's one thing that you want to check when you do sign in from your mobile application. Once you successfully enter your password and you get logged into your mobile banking application, then the next screen that you will see is the self-enrollment form. It's the agreement where you are self-enrolling in the mobile banking application. So after you read your mobile banking agreement, the self-enrollment portion of it, you check the I agree box and then you click Next. The next screen that you're going to see once you're in the mobile application, it's still part of the self-enrollment process. You will actually see whether or not you want to set your mobile device up to receive text message alerts. It's a very, very good thing to do, and you can set up different types of alerts in your desktop application to notify you on your mobile device. So if you want to do that, if you have unlimited text messages, that may be something you want to do. In this case here, I'm actually saying no, that I do not want to do that. But in order to set that option, you actually click on the drop down arrow, and you make your selection as you see here on the screen, and click No. The next field that you need to fill out is the mobile phone number. The mobile phone number that you're on at the time that you are submitting your application for self-enrollment. You need to put that phone number in there, and that will also be the device that your text message alerts are sent to if you have chosen to receive text messages. The next option you need to fill out is your wireless provider. Once you click the drop down box on this, there are several wireless providers to choose from, so you need to select whether your device is using the Verizon network, AT&T, Sprint, US Cellular, whatever wireless provider you're using. Just select that option and then click on Enroll Now. The next option you should see is a confirmation to let you know that you were successfully enrolled in the mobile banking application. Once you see this screen, then you may click on My Accounts to actually view your accounts of your online banking. Once you click on My Accounts, you will see all the accounts that you actually have enrolled in your online banking application. The screen is smaller, so you don't see everything pop up right there with balance. You will see a balance, but you won't see anything else. So with this, if you want to see transaction detail, you can actually click on the transactions or touch the transaction on the screen, and then you will pop out to another display, and you actually see your last transactions that you have conducted. This option is you also have other options. You can do transfers. If you notice down at the bottom of the screen, you always have your icons at the bottom of the screen, so you can always go to My Accounts. You can transfer on your mobile application. You can pay bills, and you can see any alerts that have been sent to you. Even though you don't want to receive text messages, there still can be you can set up alerts in your regular online banking, and you can receive alerts to your mobile or to your account, your online banking account. So that is the icons that will always be down at the bottom of the screen. But in your My Account, you will actually see all your accounts you have listed with their balances. If you'll notice the icons down at the bottom of the screen, now the transfer icon is blue, and that lets you know where in the mobile application you are at. So you are in the transfer section of the mobile application. This will allow you to transfer funds from one account to the other, and the accounts that you'll be able to transfer to and from are the ones that you set up when you signed up for online banking. So those restrictions are still in place. You can't transfer money from one person to another account. You can't transfer money from accounts that you didn't authorize already to be on there. So this is just banking accounts and fund transfers in between accounts that you are already authorized on. So you cannot authorize any other accounts from the mobile application. That's one of the security features, and we help keeping your online banking more secure. If you'll notice down to the bottom of the screen now, I'm back in the My Accounts portion of the mobile banking application, where I can see all of my accounts listed. I wouldn't have to necessarily go back to My Accounts, but I did so just so we could see, because there are the screens that look very similar in the transfer part in the pay bills section of the mobile application. So I just wanted to show you how the icons do change back from one color to let you know what screen you're actually in at the current time. Now you will notice that down at the bottom again, my icon for pay bills is turned blue, so I'm in the pay from account in my bill pay portion of my mobile banking application. Here, remember I said at the first of this Show Me How video series that this mobile application, you will already have to have your payees set up. We will not allow you to add new payees from the mobile application. So the only thing you're going to be able to pay from your bill pay portion of the mobile app is payees that you already have set up in your online banking. Again, another security feature in case you do lose your mobile device, that someone would not be able to initiate a bill pay out of your bill pay account. One of the final things that I wanted to show you, since I do not have any alerts set up on that test account, there was no need to show you that screen that shows the alerts. But if you had any alerts, you could tap on that section of the application and you would see alert messages. The next portion that I wanted to show you is anytime you're in the mobile app, down there at the bottom where you see your icons, if you will tap down there a couple of times, you can actually see a part where you can see the bank, where you can see your accounts, and you can also see locations. At any point in time you're in the online banking application, or the mobile banking application I should say, and you want to check our locations, you can tap down there at the bottom of the screen a couple of times, not on an icon but just off in the blank section of the screen there, and it will pull up your account locations. You can also get to this when you first, this portion of the application, when you first get into and sign into your mobile banking application itself. So it is an option from the splash screen, but you can also access this option at any point in the application. This concludes our Show Me How video on mobile banking. We have walked you through how to self-enroll yourself in the mobile banking application. We have also walked you through how to conduct your normal transactions the same as you would from your regular online banking application from your desktop. So we hope you've enjoyed it. Please check back for more Show Me How videos, and also check out our new Security Matters website. The URL is www.cfsbsecuritymatters.com, and on that website you'll be able to check out information and watch additional videos and find documentation on how you can better protect yourself when you're online.